Namaste everyone. My name is Mahima Singh and today I'm going to talk about 6 practical and effective ways to wake up early. Not once, not twice, but every day. So let's get started. First, we need to know the benefits of waking up early because if we will know the benefits, it will be easier to do it, isn't it? Early morning is the time when there is no negativity, no calls, no text messages, and you can actually utilize it to achieve your goal. So, this is the time when your mind is fresh and active, and also it's the ideal time to do yoga and meditation. But let's face it, it's not a piece of cake in today's running world. So, I'm going to give you some practical and effective advices which will help you become a morning person. So, let's get started with the first step. So, the first step is to sleep early. You can just go to bed at 2 a.m. and expect to wake up at 5, right? So, to sleep early is actually a bigger challenge than to wake up early. Do you know about humans' natural tendency to sleep? Let me tell you. After evening, our melatonin level begin to rise. Melatonin is an hormone which is responsible for effective sleep in humans. So, more the melatonin level, good will be the sleep. As we engage with laptops and mobile phones, our melatonin level begins to drop and which results in sleepless night. So avoid screen time before bed. I'll give you some ways which you can use to make your mind calm and sleep effectively. Number one, take a lukewarm milk in a glass and add some haldi to it. It will help you calm your mind and you can go to sleep very effectively. So tip number two is read before bed. Avoid screen time. You can just read your favorite book, anything you want. Tip number three, you can listen to some soft music, you can set the atmosphere, light some candles, and anything like that. Tip number four is meditation. You can always use meditation to calm your mind. You don't need to do some extraordinary things and all. You can just sit, close your eyes for 5 or 10 minutes, and boom. So, tip number two, eat your food early. Why? If you need to wake up early, you need to go to bed early. In order to go to bed early, you need to eat your food early. Because if you just eat your food and go to bed, it will just be much more resistance to wake up the next day. This is because the lot of energy goes into digestion process. Have you noticed at the parties when you eat a lot of food and you go to bed at same time as usual, but the next day you just feel dizzy? This is the reason you feel that so. So avoid heavy meals at night. Don't go to gym at night time. Morning is great time to go to gym or do whatever exercise you need to do. Don't use caffeine, coffee, tea, anything after 6 p.m. And also you can sleep on your left side. It will promote digestion. These tips are really small but really effective. Wake up more energetically and not just feel like grumpy. Tip number three is to plan your to-do list a night before. Planning my to-do list a night before has really helped me. Just like in exams, you prepare yourself same like that. You need to remind yourself to wake up early. You can just set alarms for that, 1 or 2 hour prayer when you need to go to bed. Have you noticed when we need to catch a flight or a train, we just wake up way before time? This is because consciously or subconsciously, while we're sleeping, doing other stuff, we remind ourselves that we have to wake up early that day. So, same is the case here. You can just set alarms and plan your day before so you get an idea that yes, you have to wake up the next day. So, tip number 4 is you need to have a strong reason why you want to wake up early. You must have noticed during childhood days when we need to go to the park or we wanted to play cricket, we are just right on time. This is because we have a good reason to wake up. But now, if I will ask you to study the next day or just go to work, you will just sneak out from here. So, you need to have a strong reason. It could be anything like I need to focus on my health, so I'll go to the park every day. I need to do meditation, I need to calm my mind, so I will wake up early to do meditation. I need to read more books, so morning time would be great. And and later on I can cope up with my work. Or you can just simply learn something like your hobby, like a dance choreography or painting or sketching, anything which gives you a kick to wake up early is a good reason to do so. Now let's face it, most of us just snooze the alarm, and at that time we forget everything. The world is unreal and we just crawl onto bed on the other side. Happened with me too. Lol. The first 10 to 15 minutes are much harder and the rest is just a cakewalk. So I'll give you some of the tips which you can use to tackle those 10 to 15 minutes. You can just drink a lukewarm water slowly. It will definitely let you pass by like 5 or 10 minutes. You can set your alarm away from your bed so that you have to actually get up to get there, and you will be awake by that time. You can just go to the balcony and let the fresh air touch your face, or you can just set some soothing music, light some candles, and set the atmosphere. So, the final point is to accomplish something within 1 hour. When you accomplish something within the first hour, it will give you a kick and you will stay motivated for the rest of the day. The satisfaction to tick off something from a to do list is great. It just releases dopamine and you feel more good about yourself. When you accomplish something within the first hour, it will just give you a kick for the rest of your day and you will feel more energetic and motivated. You don't need to do any extraordinary stuff like completing whole book in just 1 hour. You can just solve a simple math problem. You can make a good breakfast for yourself. You can clean up your space. It can be as simpler as making your bed. But remember, don't take your phone in hand. Otherwise, you know what will happen next. On the first few days, you will really feel grumpy and sleepy, but do not sleep in the afternoon. It will give you kick to sleep early on the next day. After a week or two, you will get used to it and you will feel more energetic. Always sleep at the fixed time and do not get tempted by mobile phones or one more episode of web series. I am sure if you follow these 6 steps, it will help you become a morning person. Really, there is nothing more satisfying than waking up early. Half of the humans are sleeping, and you just get the universe and energy to yourself. And don't forget, if you wake up early, you can run your day. Otherwise, the day is going to run you. So that's up for today's video. If you find these tips helpful, you can like this video, and if you have other tips which helped you becoming a morning person, you can comment in the comment section. Until then, I wish you all good health and happiness.